Hello friends, this is Saishwar friends. This is the sixth, I think seventh day of English. I I didn't do videos in this week. That's why I am doing this video. Today I will talk about the remote jobs. Now present I'm not at my hostel. I'm not in Hyderabad. I'm out of the city. I'm going to Hyderabad from my hometown. Okay, let's start the topic. What is topic? The topic is remote jobs. Normally, remote jobs means it is like work from home. In India also we have work from home jobs, but those are not remote jobs. If you get a job from other countries and you do the job from your home, that's called remote jobs. In the main difference between Indian remote jobs and other countries remote jobs are you don't need to visit the branches mostly. In Indian remote jobs are like normal jobs. They will pay normal pay, but if you get a remote job from other countries, something like US or Canada or Australia or Japan, then you get paid more than, because the currency matters, because India compared to Indian currency to with other developed countries currency, then it will more than our money. So if you get a remote job, then you will get paid more, but there are also minus points also there. The main minus point is if you go to office and you have friends and you have seniors to solve your problems. In remote jobs you don't have any friends. You need to solve your problems on your own. And also if you have any doubt, if you stuck anywhere, then no one tell you. And also if you want help from your company, then you need to ask help, and if they have time, they will give you time, and that is something like a video call meetings and laptops, Zoom meeting or etc. That is the main problem. And in India also we will get more salaries, but you need seniority. If you don't have seniority and you want more money, then you can't get. If you have better skills, then you will also paid well. In our India, lot many people do remote jobs and they get more than normal salary. Suppose if you get a remote job from US, then it will be 40 lakhs or 60 lakhs and 80 lakhs. It's something like startup, but they will give you 60 lakhs or 80 lakhs per year. In our India, they will give you 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs per year. And that's why that is the main difference between remote jobs and normal jobs. But it's so hard to get a remote job. You need better skills and you need better technology. You need better skills, and you also have better communication skills, because they want a guy who can communicate with them in their own language. So you need a better communication skills, and you need, I think, if you have better knowledge in your tech stack, then you will get a remote job. It is